I've purchased with it the catcher kit. So what I'm going to show you today is how it actually goes on. We get in the back here. I've actually got 4 bolts where it mounts. So let's have a look. So we get this bit here. It goes on here. And that will lock in. So it stays on there. Then we got this top bit that drops on. So we come over here. This goes up into here. It's got a lock in over that tab there. And then we got one that goes on here. One that goes on there.